After our nice panettone breakfast, we're out on the road. It's a little bit wet this morning, but it's still beautiful, and we're still in Milan.
That's true.
A friend of mine lived here in Italy for a couple of years, and he recommended that we take this walk that goes from Domo Sola. So he recommended we take this walk from the arch down to the Duomo. Now, we've been to the Duomo, so we're going to veer off, but we'll go through the arch and down through the park to the castle, and then on down probably to the canals.
No.
Well,
that's much further.
We'll get there eventually. But the idea is we're just going to do some walking, see some cool stuff, and enjoy a cool gray day here in Milan. This arch here is called the Arco della Pace, the Arch of Peace. And it was originally started by Napoleon, but by the time it was finished, he had abdicated the throne of Italy and the Austrians had taken over. And so if you look at the top here, you see that the horses and chariots are facing Milan, and their backsides are facing Paris and France. So I think the initial plan was for this to be the beginning of the road that would end at the Arc de Triomphe. Instead, it's used to mock Napoleon. Looking at here, Nancy?
We are in the Piazza Mercanti, and it is filled with medieval buildings.
It's also got a well here in the middle, and more importantly, we got some gelato. What did you get?
I got pistachio and Peru chocolate, which was a dark chocolate.
And there's mine. I got caramello, and strawberry.
And they poured chocolate into the cone too.
Gelato was good. I've finished. Nancy, how are you doing?
I'm working on it. Botanical Gardens. We just kind of stumbled upon it. It's near the Pinoteca, which is the art museum that we decided not to go to because we don't have that kind of time. Plus, this is free.
And it's very old here.
Yeah.
We've seen a giant magnolia and
old wisteria.
yeah, that's climbing way up a building.
And some very interesting plants.